Hello, I'm Mary, and today we're going to talk about the exception in Java. So I have a five questions for this, and I answer these questions, right? So first of all, um, we have the where are the exceptions important in programming? Well, exceptions are crucial in programming because they allow developers to help inspect errors graceful, preventing program crash, and ensure a smooth user experience. They have debugging, improving software reliability, and maintainability clean and structured code. Two, which exception do you think are the most important when programming? I think the most important programming are two. One is SQL exceptions and two interrupted exceptions. Um, this is when they're working with trees. Three questions is what type of exception can occur in Java application that connects to MySQL database. We have five and our SQL exception, SQL time out exception, data integrate violation exception, class not found exception, and communication exceptions. For question is what type of exception can occur in Java application that works with trees and socks? Uh, are interrupted exception, illegal treats, state exception, stock exception, bind exception, and unknown host exceptions. And the last one is what is the difference between an error and exception in Java? Error represents serious uses that the application cannot recover from. An exception represents conditions that a program can help and recover from. So now I'll explain to you the code. So let's do it. And this is the code, and there we have the class to that extends the exceptions. Um, we have a boulder. We have a boulder because I customed the exception for this project. I mean, I create the custom exceptions, right? The type of string. Now we have a class again, the name fecha. Here declare variables that reference um, the months of year. Um, and this is a method. This is a method in this part which groups the months, and here verificate if the months are interval, if not in the different intervals, right? If not, show to the user and exceptions like this. Yep. So now here we have the method main. The method main, and we declare the variables, create an object of fecha. We have two do whiles. Here capture the day of and month that the user enters. the first of all the while up to here really captured the dirt and this do while verify is greater than 1963 1963 we run in this part we run the method um, here we capture the section that had already created before yep so we run the project so a day 2 months also 2 and 2 1 0 0 0 okay and there we have an exception um that's it thank you for watching